I'm the resident commercial vehicle specialist at Citroen Nottingham, also an expert in Citroen finance and funding products, and Citroen business car. I've been in a business-to-business role for nearly 18 years, but Citroen 11 years. I think the most surprising is generally how many different customers I have that use commercial vehicles. I think you think van and you think builder, plumber, electrician, but I have wedding planners, people that are in the fabric business, t-shirt makers, all sorts of people that use vans. So it's just interesting day to day to learn about different trades and different roles. So. I think you've always just got to be honest with yourself and with customers. I think you've also, if you deal with people in a straight manner, you'll get a lot more referrals as well. So I'm lucky that I have a loyal customer base and I get a lot of repeat business. I think the face-to-face aspect side of the job, I'm keen to get back out there in the local business community and meet new customers and grow my business portfolio that way. Also with new products that are coming in, sort of like the electric dispatch and all the electric EC4 vehicles, I think it's hard to communicate over the phone how good the products are. Certainly I need to get out there and show people the quality and get over people's range anxiety and things like that. So. T. Countryside. Full English. Ski slope. Box set. Night owl. Does a cross kiss count? Stereophonics. Working in a newsagent. Can't show you on camera. Peugeot 106. I think it'll be a difficult one because, like myself and the rest of the market, we're very entrenched in diesel technology, and electric is the future. It's coming. It's going to happen. So I think the most exciting side of that is to speak to my customers and get them to buy into that sort of vision, and get them over their, as I say, range anxiety and various objections that they have, and show them the way. The comfort side of things is huge, so it's not just from a driver's point of view in terms of which van and which car they use, it's also the duty of care that the companies face in terms of health and safety and things like that for their driver. So it's absolutely imperative that we force that home, and people are happy and comfortable with our products. Favourite car has to be Citroen C2 GT. I had a black one with white wheels back in the day, so it was a proper chavmobile. Nottingham fact, I'm actually from Loughborough, so just outside, but I understand Nottingham was known as Snottingham due to the Saxon chief being, his first name was Snot. So believe it or snot.
Citroën.